One thing I've realized is that most healthy habits don't fall apart because we don't know what to do. They fall apart because life gets busy, because we're tired, because we wake up late, because we have 3 minutes before we need to leave the house. And breakfast is usually the first thing to go. The truth is, we're doing great before life got hectic. But how do we maintain our healthy habits even when they seem impossible? One thing I've learned about myself is that healthy choices become a lot easier when I make them the easiest choice. Food can be something that takes hours of planning, prepping, and thinking about, or it can be a complete no-brainer because you've already done a little bit of prep work ahead of time. Meal prepping breakfast is a great place to start because no matter how many healthy habits I build, there are still mornings where I wake up, make an iced latte, and tell myself I'll eat something later. These are simple and high-protein breakfasts that are ready to grab when life gets busy. They take less than 10 minutes to make, so when you're standing in your kitchen at 7 a.m. staring into the refrigerator, wondering, I need to leave right now, what can I grab? You'll already have an answer. For most of my teenage years and into my early 20s, my breakfast was usually an iced coffee, and I usually wouldn't eat my first meal of the day until around lunch. Once I started eating breakfast in the morning, I realized how much better I felt. I no longer needed so much coffee to get me through the day. I naturally had more energy because my body was fueled. I noticed that my focus and my productivity was a lot higher, and that's when I decided that I wasn't going to be skipping breakfast anymore. After sleeping all night, your body has gone hours without food. And so starting your day with a meal that combines protein and fiber, carbohydrates, can help replenish your energy and set the tone for the rest of the day, which is one reason why I love this apple pie buckwheat porridge. It's packed with fiber and tastes so cozy. It also comes together in 10 minutes, which makes it super perfect for meal prep. Buckwheat is also a complete plant protein, which means it has all the 9 essential amino acids for protein synthesis. This breakfast made my whole kitchen smell like an apple pie. This reminds me of just what your grandmother might make for you for breakfast. I've been on a really big matcha kick lately and have pretty much been obsessed with anything matcha flavored. Overnight oats are one of the easiest breakfasts that you can prep. Oats are primarily carbohydrates, and I love eating carbs first thing in the morning. Overnight, our body depletes glycogen, which is our stored energy, and eating carbs in the morning helps you to refuel your body, which is going to immediately give you a boost of energy. I also mixed in chia seeds into the overnight oats. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, and fiber also helps with stable energy. And they're one of those things that will keep you full for a really long time. I topped my matcha overnight oats with some yogurt and then some frozen blueberries for antioxidants and protein. Now that it's summer, I feel like I've been eating so many strawberries. I wanted to make a chia seed pistachio pudding with strawberry yogurt on top. And so I started by mixing some whole milk, some Greek yogurt, pistachios, maple syrup, and a little bit of collagen powder. I honestly love to just squeeze collagen powder into anything that I can. After you blend that together, then you're going to add your chia seeds. You don't want to blend up your chia seeds. Next, just pour that into a container and let it chill in the refrigerator for a second. I mixed my strawberries with more Greek yogurt and a little bit more maple syrup. And of course, I had to do a little taste test, and this was better than any strawberry ice cream I've ever had. After letting our pistachio base chill for a second, I poured the strawberry yogurt on top and then topped with more pistachios and strawberry. Regulating our blood sugar is really important, and what that basically means is just regulating our energy throughout the day. The best way you can do this is to fuel your body, and you want to fuel your body with meals that are satiating and meals that are full of all of the macronutrients. So carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats. If you can pull in different vitamins and minerals and fiber, even better. But this is going to support your energy throughout the day because your body has the proper fuel and your glycogen storage isn't running empty, which would cause low blood sugar. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some recipe inspiration to help make your breakfast easier this week. If you end up trying any of these recipes, leave a comment below. I'd love to know how you liked it. And of course, if you liked this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.